So you have a starter project for the mobile app of Emoji Journal. Let's start getting it ready to work with KituraKit. Open up your terminal and navigate to the mobile app. In your command line, type the command to show what you need to add to a pod file for KituraKit. Terminal should show a line that you will want to copy and paste for later. Using Terminal, make sure you're at the root directory of your mobile app. The application already uses another Cocopod for the emoji picker, so open up pod file with any text editor you'd like, and add the line that KituraKit gave you in the middle of your file here. Save this file and exit your text editor. After this, update your pod installation in Terminal. Cocoapods will do its thing, and once it's open Emoji Journal Mobile App.xc workspace. Go to the model directory in Xcode and add a new file called emojiclient.swift. This is the file you're going to do most of your work in to use KituraKit throughout this application. At the top of the file, import your new framework. Below that, you're going to add two pieces of helper code. First, create an error that is going to help out your requests that you make with KituraKit. This will make it easier for your application to handle errors that might come up with KituraKit as you integrate it into your application. After this, you will create an extension of UI application that will let you easily switch between servers for testing your mobile app. By now, you might have noticed that, when you run the app, you can choose either the app debug or app release scheme. The next snippet of code you will add will show you what this helps you do. Begin the emoji client class by creating a static var for your base URL. In this example, I'm using my own deployed version of Emoji Journal that I have up on IBM Cloud. As you test your application, this will give you an easy way to switch between the deployed version of your API and the API you are running on your local machine. In the property you just declared, make sure to replace the base URL with your deployed application base URL if you've been deploying your application. Okay, now you're set up to use KituraKit. In the next video, you're going to start setting up your mobile app with a client that uses it. I hope you're excited to dig in.